What's up, Jooba people? So I just recorded this whole tutorial and the recording failed. I'm so irritated. So anyway, I'm going to do this one faster because don't have lots of time. But anyway, let me show you how to play the song on ukulele. It goes like this. The intro and the verses goes... And you know how the rest goes. And then the chorus, so that just loops for the verse, okay? All the verses in the intro. Except in the first verse, there's something funny that happens, the second 4-bar loop, but I'll get back to that now. Just want to give you the overview first. And then the chorus is A minor, C, F, and then G. A minor, just 4 chords, C, F, and G. Pretty easy, right? The second 4 chords in the first verse, it goes away from the normal loop, and then starts on F, and then goes to C and the F and G. F, C, F, G. Okay. And then it goes back to the original loop, which is C, F, D minor, G. And the way you play these chords is C is like that. There's F, D minor, just add that finger there, and then G. Okay, you could do the D sus4 if you want. Okay, and that's it for the bridge. Let's just go over the tag. There's a little tag after the first chorus. It's F, C, D minor, G. And then the bridge is A minor, sorry, C. The bridge is the same as the chorus. Let me just say that. Okay. Cool. Have a nice day. Jooba means making music with joy, and we want to give people the joy of learning and playing music. Everybody in our world is now like consumers and like, just give me, let me listen to music, let me watch Netflix, let me consume games, let me consume media. And very few people move over to becoming creators. And I think it's very important for people to create experiences for other people. When you learn a song on ukulele, you're creating an experience for whoever's listening, even if it's just for yourself, but you created that thing. It's not something that somebody put on a plate and said, here, eat. It's more satisfying in life to make your own food versus eating out the whole time. It's harder, but it's more satisfying and people enjoy it more. Kids, nobody wants to watch a kid playing a game on an iPad. People want to watch kids doing things, making art, learning a song, singing a song. That's fun to watch. It helps people, it encourages people, it lifts people up. But when people are just consuming, everybody doesn't like that, you know. Nobody likes that. People like when people come to the party with something, when they maybe make a dance, you know, or make a song or write a song. That brings life to people around you, and I really think that's the reason Jooba exists. My name is Jaco, it's not Jooba, but this is my music school. Welcome. Cheers.